Live, digital, interactive. Blended learning at DMG MORI. Business owner Mr. Mueller has made an investment in an ultra-modern DMG MORI machine. Once it is delivered, he would like to start using it in production as soon as possible because the next customer orders are already waiting. But his employees still need to learn how to operate and program the new machine first so that production can begin as smoothly as possible. Now, that's even easier to do with the new digital blended learning concept by DMG MORI. We use it to bring DMG MORI Academy know-how right to your employees. We do so quickly and efficiently online via the Learning Cloud, perfectly complementing the classic face-to-face format. This allows you to stay flexible at all times and save valuable time, money, and resources. Even before the new machine is delivered, we teach the theoretical fundamentals in small groups in a 3-day online training. In the DMG MORI Learning Cloud, participants have access to all the information and training materials. Our experienced trainers provide step-by-step guidance through the interactive live programming using the original control software. It is just as effective as training in a real classroom. Afterwards, the participants put their acquired knowledge into practice on the machines during an on-site training at the DMG MORI Academy. After just 2 or 3 days, your employees are back at the company and can get started with the new machine right away. And they are awarded a globally recognized certificate from the DMG MORI Academy. Mr. Mueller is thrilled. Thanks to the short ramp-up and the excellent training for his employees, he can continue to produce quickly, flexibly, and efficiently. Fantastic! Blended learning at DMG MORI. Live, digital, interactive. Learn more at academy.dmgmori.com.